secondary decisions can be difficult. They often end up in failure, and they are also the result of failure. For example, the Apollo 1, Space Challenger 2, and Chandrayaan 2 were all failures that required a change in direction, resulting in thousands of changes. There may be a failure following a process change on the way. For example, Falcon 1, Flight 1, Falcon 9 pad explosion. Both of these failures were a result of changes in the process. Not all change resulted in failure. For example, Apollo 8, the mission was changed. That was successful. Two future potential successes, Astra Rocket 4 and Relativity Space Terran R, are both changes to a better solution, even though the current rockets were not completely successful. So let's take this knowledge